So in this video we're just going to do some debugging with Babel code. I'm going to use it Visual Studio Code Insiders Edition, and I'm using Node 6.1.0 here on Ubuntu with NVM. So let's just get started here. Let's grab the default npm package, grab a few dev dependencies, I'm going to use the ES 2015 Node 6 that's been out recently. And the project we're going to do is just really simple. We'll have a source directory to handle our modern code to be parsed by Babel, and we'll use a simple class, and I'll show you how we can step through it and compile source maps and set our breakpoints. Let's just fire up the editor. Got a few files to set up, Babel RC, so we can set our preset that we installed. And we also need, in my case, just because I have the plugin here, I'm going to set up a really quick ESLint. So that should be good enough just to test. And let's set up a source folder. And in here, modules. And here's our app entry file, and let's make a simple module person. So we'll do this file first. Just going to export a really simple class, basic constructor, name parameter with the default value. Set this guy. Let's get a simple method going so we can have something for logging. Alright, let's go back to the app entry file. Import the person module. And let's create two people here. So I'll create myself, and let's make it an anonymous person. We'll make sure the default name is working. Alright, let's set a breakpoint. And now we need to set up Babel. We're going to create a build script here, and all it's going to do is take in the source directory, spit it out to another directory called dist. We're going to have it watch, and we want source maps. So what we can do is go to the terminal here, npm run build. So you see it's generating it, and it's waiting here to build some more. And now, when we go back to parse the app entry file, we've got our breakpoint. Let's go ahead into the Debug tab now, create a new configuration for Node.js, and set this up. So we're going to want to update our program entry, and now we're going to want to set up source maps. So just grab this here, and it's looking for the compiled file, so you can always hover over this and get some hints. So we set that to the dist folder in our root, and let's launch. And there you go. We got a breakpoint set right here. We've got some local variables we can look into. Let's see, the anon person is still here. We got our debug console. Let's step over. So let's set my name, and let's execute, and unknown. So there you go, there's a really basic setup. You can always get it a little more complicated, add some more presets, plugins so you're not using usestrict, but it's pretty straightforward and really handy.